Hi guys, this is Rajiv Nedungadi again, and today I'm going to unbox The Dead Don't Die on Blu-ray. So let's check the details of this first. Here is the spine, here's the back, and let's see what special features here. It's all in completely black and red, so it's very difficult to read, but okay. Bonus features is Bill Murray, zombie hunting action star, stick together, behind the scenes of The Dead Don't Die. Okay, it's a region free disc. Okay, and it's in DTS HD Master 5.1, Brazil, Brazilian, Portuguese, and Latin American Spanish, and the multiple audio languages are there. It says 105 minutes is the approximate runtime. That may also include the special features actually. Okay, so let's unbox this. Okay, so here is the disc. It seems to be an imported disc. Let's see. Yeah, it says Image 11 Productions 2019, Universal Studios. Okay, cool. So here is the front again for you. So guys, if you like this video, please click on like, please subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell icon for updates.